voice, all the indefinite tenses, right? Present definite tense, past indefinite tense, future indefinite tense, right? So we shall go on with the voice formulae, beginning with the present continuous tense.
Call is now being recorded.
Present continuous tense. I'm going to begin with present continuous tense. Have your notebook and your pen ready with you, okay? Have your notebook and your pen. I'm going to give you on the board so that you can take down from it. All right. We'll start from here. This is the line as usual. B, the present tense, okay? Present tense. Present. Can you see? Am I writing too high or can you see? Kamu thầy lâu tlat hay ta screen này hiền. Sang lu tu kem o. Kan ziak ni am le deu liang screen na kamu ve thầy lawa. Present continuous tense. Write down. Ito ni kumapok ang zero shot to ha. Two voice. Ouch. Ang yan eh. Aban na try there. Subject plus is or o atilahi plus first form of the verb plus ing plus object. Passive voice. Object plus active voice subject plus is m or r plus first form of the verb plus ing. That means an action which is going on now. Example, Miss Mary is teaching grammar. It is an action which is going on at the present moment, at the present time. So now, it is raining. It is one. It is not necessary. All right. Miss Jane is teaching the children. How many children? More than one, right? So in passive voice, we shall be using are, since, and this teaching at ing, that ing will change into being. Then teach. The verb teach will change to its third form. So what is the third form of teach? It is taught. Teach, taught. So the children are being taught by Miss Jane. That is present continuous tense. Now, present perfect tense. Write down C here. Sub number C. Present in zoto turakan ngaya perfect tense. Present perfect tense. Perfect tense. Achon has, have, had. Tibor velanika. Ni kuma kanzir shape to has plus have plus third form of the verb plus object. Object plus passive has or have plus been plus third form of the verb plus subject. Hey, ma, the formula. Hey, formula. Tense Kanzir Khan. If you remember when I think in tenses there was one very special formula. Has te, have te, do te, does le este, este mang tu te kakapek chau ka. In the shem formula zo nuwa khanin special formula khan atel ka. Do or does we man na te do man tu te chu you. I, we, you, and third personal pronoun, the plural, they, kantia. Does mang tu te chu, he, she, it. Pero she does not, he does not, it does not. Tu tiang chia chuan, has mang tu te chu, he, she, it, anile ta. I, we, you, they will use have. I have gone there. You have been there. They have seen the movie, right? Have manna. So that is why we're changing has have here, depending on the subject, depending on the number of objects. All right, that is the present tense completed, finished. Because in voice we have only three forms. Indefinite tenses kati one present definite, past indefinite, future indefinite. Indefinite tenses. Continuous tenses and perfect tenses. Future patron we have only two, indefinite and perfect. No continuous tense form. Oh, so it is easy. All right, now we come to the B again. Take the formula which you have written already. Past indefinite tense. Under that, coming to my account, you will write past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. Subject plus was or were plus first form of the verb plus ing plus object. Object plus was or were plus ing levangkan being plus third form of the verb plus subject. Past tense. True. Now the example will be active voice. Oh. Formula Zirzelin. She. Subject. This is the subject. Was watering. Watering to ye pemek to ye low pemeka nimina last week till don't know. She was watering the flowers. Passive. Pakat item, the flowers, more than one flower. So what will it be? The flowers were BING. Tilaya watering ing will change into BEING. The flowers were being, third form, watered by her. That is past continuous tense. In tenses, I can't do you still remember? Um, Past continuous tense is an action that was going on at a particular time when another action interrupted it. Til omlai til hunkal tonua til kan tilai mek til dang inaron timboy that is past continuous tense. And till none what? Kongkar andron kik khan le newspaper chanchin bu kalau chiar meka kongkar andron kik khan. That is past continuous tense. Kachiar mek line til dang ron keng, understand? Konga kan kal mek line ruaron sura tu kan kal mek line ruaron sur, that is past continuous tense. So here also she was watering the flowers. Le pangpar tu yellow pe meka. Passive is the flowers were being. Hetilaya ing will change into being. Ing is found, verb plus ing is found only in continuous tenses, present continuous tense, past continuous tense, future continuous tense. Oh. All right, now we come to C. Write down C, past perfect tense. Past perfect tense. Very easy. Subject plus had plus third form of the verb plus object. Object plus had plus been. Watered by her. Past perfect tense, active voice, changing active voice into passive voice is the easiest one, all AMM Tani, because you have to add only be and been in the middle. Had le verb in Karakan, third form of the verb in Karakan, in between, you have to add only be and been. Then you have the passive voice. Easy, right? She had watered the flowers. Had plus third form of the verb. Had watered. Watered. Because water is a noun. True. Tui is a noun. Must tui paid. That is a verb. Okay. Watered. Please water your garden. Anti chan huan ka tui va perole. Okay. The flowers had been watered by her. This is all under past tense. Now only one more to take in future tense. Have you finished? Now we come to B. Future indefinite tense or simple future tense you have already taken. In the future tense, we do not have future continuous tense. Active voice, passive voice, there is no future continuous tense. You have future indefinite tense and future perfect tense. Oh, only this. Active voice, subject, future tense, till sang tur so ina ni vangin, we have to use will or shall. plus first form of the verb plus object. Only now. Wait to future indefinite tense ni. Shall plus have plus mara. Mabaleng thalo ba. Third form of the verb plus object. Passive voice object plus will or shall plus have plus
Okay,
I shall have
okay.
spoken. I shall have spoken to John. John will have been spoken to by me. I'll explain. Take down first. This is future perfect tense. Finished. And the ula. Because I want to rub out. So as I had mentioned earlier, in future tense we have only two forms: future indefinite tense, active voice and passive voice, and future perfect tense, active voice and passive voice. We don't have future continuous tense. Only in tense we have future continuous tense, not in voice. Okay. So we have one. That means we have only two forms under future tense. So if you have finished, I would like to explain a little bit of what we have written. Why shall and will? And there shall and will. I want to explain. I want to rub the board. In grammar, what you have to keep in mind is this. When we want to talk about an action that is going to happen or that will take place sometime in the future, that will take place sometime in the future, we must ngay will amo shall amo. Hey, future time. So inani, I shall go tomorrow. I will go tomorrow. Tekante. I shall. Tekante. True. So to ang tinani ang. Di mayang mizo tong tuan kakalang kamuang katiang mo. Will and shall telawin future tense to asoy may thilo ani. I shall go to Delhi tomorrow. My family will leave Aizawl tonight. We shall watch this movie. So what I want to point out here is will and shall. So in grammar, okay, in grammar, shall is used mostly with I and we. I, first person, true, personal pronoun I and we. I to ka tinanya, we to kan tinanya. Any sentence where the speaker is included, first person ani, Ka kati po in kan kaldon niya kati chon I'm also included, right? That is why I and we here and shall he kan mangtlang po ita grammars. Mas these days it's not important. Tonight it is not important. I will see. I will see you tonight. Zan na kamung che kan mudon niya tiangan ita true. I shall see you tonight. I shall see him tomorrow. I shall go tomorrow. I will go tomorrow. Can care waktolo. Okay, can care. We don't very much care these days. So we can use both I for I and we can use will also. There are no hard and fast rules. Dan omchong lo tina ni so. Ma say if you are made to choose, you supposing in the exam you get choose the correct answer or fill in the blanks or something like that. Then supposing you are given I, then here you have to choose will and shall. Ani si chuan a sentences zir kha chu ani lutuk mai amai chu mostly generally hemi hi you will choose shall. Okay, chu chu theng hi lo la dan chu om lo nanga dan in ziak chu om lo nang chu chu thil kal mang, that is the way it goes. Then will is used by the rest. Will mang tu te chu adang zong. You will, he will, she will, it will, they will. All right? Kakasya ulangin. Masele kabu, when you read a book or when you come across any sentences where you have he shall, she shall, tia and ziak point, it shall rain tonight, it shall rain this evening. Makti chong su. Okay, because aman pol te thau te nan it's all right. Masa turi na chuanin choose shall with I and we. Kanilo chon dan om chong lo. All right. There is just one thing which I wanted to point out. Now, why is it that in passive voice, ani kumapo kan zirto ahlui ho tan chon no pang hui tan chon. Why is it that in passive voice, when you come across words like here, you have subject plus will or shall plus this is perfect have plus spoke. I am ponise speaking English. All tiru. Very easy. Passive voice. English, one language, is what? Being, third form, spoken by me. Mase, I am speaking to what? To him. Him, this element. Oh. I'm speaking to him. Here you have subject. Is MR was where how what do we call them? Auxiliary verbs. Helping verbs kan di khatiro verb lian pui tu tense siam tu. I am speaking subject plus auxiliary verb or helping verb is MR was where the pot plus first form of the verb plus ing plus object. Ani si chuan he hi chu ta hian akal dun don hemi hi an kal du nang ti na ni ta ni they will go together. Okay. Miss Mary kicked at the ball. Miss Mary chon ball chu a pet ta ti the kick at true. Chu tian ni so the ball was kicked by Miss Mary at Halo. Where is at? At ka kung kalta kang. That is why the ball was kicked at by Miss Mary. I understand. So same thing here. I'm speaking English is different. English is spoken by me. I'm speaking English and French. English and French are being spoken by me. But what? Object halo ni tase, tahian tu lo tase. What really do we have? I'm speaking to him. He, present continuous tense niya. Pakatsawa niya, he is, ing will change into being, speak third form, spoken, he kanon latlaang, to, by, tunga betu, ma. He is being spoken to by me. Do you see me? Empo nilo ma se. I, past tense. I spoke to him. Ponita say he, past indefinite, was spoken to by me. Do you get it? All right. Again, another example. Mike. plays on the flute or guitar tiang o in thiam tlang de uzokang. Mike plays on the guitar. Mike plays on the flute. So what? This is the subject, doer of the action, agent of the action. Tiro tilti to a subject, verb, object. Lo dong song to the action. The receiver of the action is the object. So Mike plays on the guitar. The guitar is the receiver of the action plays. So which one will go together? What is the passive form of this sentence? Only one guitar, right? So the guitar, one only. So present definite tense. In the same, passive voice is object plus is M or R plus third form. The guitar, pakatsaw vangin is. Guitars, if it is more than one, it will be R. Okay. The guitar is third form. Played, they will go together. On, by, Mike. Do you get it? So that is why there are some words that should go together. We have laughed, present perfect tense, at the joker. Joker too, kan lo nui to di namay ni. Kan lo nui fel dim diam to. Kaya ni chuan nui ve tung to ro mo. We have laughed at the joker. Which are the words that should go together here again? Here we have the subject, the verb, the subject, the helping verb, the main verb katitu action verb. Then the object. So what is that which should go with the verb? It is the word at. So how shall we do? The joker. Have the joker has, right, present perfect tense, been laughed at will go together by us. Do you get it? Only one joker, so I have used has. The jokers, Nita said, will be have, of course. The joker has been laughed at by us. That means we have laughed at the joker. Get it? So, turte in chukaring thawa ma say whatever this that you don't understand, whatever chapter or whatever portion uh, uh, which you have not understood properly, you just write it down in a piece of paper. Damchuan school potan toy theater in base la control le don't thawa. This is not the final one. We shall go through it again in the class. This is just to make things easier. True. Till all some non continue kuma 10 patient. It is not something new. Kan zero look a formula point the thiam vekang. But still then when in the class, when we resume classes, when we continue our daily routine, then I would like to see the the formula in your notebook. Understand? Notebook formula notebook thar in my subject subject big nai na kapuang thing hil ka subject big chuan you will have no not take a piece of paper and write down hing in nge tur one notebook, new notebook, one notebook for writing kan tikan essay te postcard notice writing tamlutok poster designing, all those kinds we shall do in one notebook. Then one notebook for grammar alone. Grammar, the grammar textbook, workbook atan kan. Don't mix grammar and writing together. To na point grammar notebook in siya nga writing to inzia pol. Engba inzia pol lawang tinan ito. One for writing, one for grammar. Okay, so the formula that you have written down also should be done in the grammar exercise book. Now for your homework will be all box set hardo pek tu kakatsak we do box intiam sa don seturu. All right, anyway, it's good. Revision always never harms anyone. 2 point makan soy low revise kan through. So you will learn the active voice, passive voice formulae. Okay. From the present tense, present the three tenses in the present tense: present perfect, present definite, present continuous, present perfect, active and passive. Past tense, past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect tense, active and passive. Future tense, two, future indefinite, future perfect tense, active and passive. So may po atok lawanga. You will learn from what? From active to passive and passive to active. True, passive to active. Active to passive to intiam to. So revise this. At home. That will be your homework. All right. So now another half an hour, 35 minutes have passed. It's time to close the class. It's been nice teaching you in Philly, in Tiam local so mark down. Right.
Thank you, Miss.
Bye bye. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank
Bye
you,
bye.
Miss.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you.
Thank you, Miss.